Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Civil Engineering Forum. Today we are going to talk about an ancient step well located in Saurashtra region of Gujarat state in India. In ancient times, the road connecting the coastal towns of Saurashtra to the cities of the hinterland were well-travelled paths. A critical necessity for merchants and other travellers would have been placed to rest and water the animals who were passing by. It is only logical that these highway stopovers would have been a good place to build stepwells or vows as we call them. Vantli, on the road that connects Junagadh to Rajkot, is a likely place to seek such a stopover. The road leading to the town seems ideal for long distance travellers, with several large trees on either side coming together to form an overhead canopy. In this tranquil setting, near the village of Koili Phatak, one comes across what looks like a small garden on one side with a pavilion in middle. Nothing from outside indicates the presence of ancient structure within. Usually a gardener or two can be seen at work. It is on rounding the pavilion that the true picture of the place emerges. The pavilion stands at the top of a large step well. The well named Rakh Hengar Wow is built in a north-south direction, with the well shaft in the south and a flight of steps to enter it in the north. Walking inside, a visitor sees ornate stone carving on niches on the wall and on pillars at every level. These niches are empty. The idols that would have been inside are long gone. One hopes that they are in a museum somewhere. Even the pavilion tower within has stone embellishment. The ornamentation in the lower level of the wow is in complete contrast to the plain nature of the walls at ground level. The results of the higher level have been plastered over at some later time. The pavilion on the top of the stepwell does not share the antiquity of the wow itself and may date back to the late 19th century. One of the most interesting features of the Vantli stepwell is that there is still water within. Imagine the skill and the foresight of the planner who created it, that too centuries ago. They even identified the underground aquifer. The pillars and the walls of the stepwell is ornamented with carving. There are balconies on the both sides of the first landing by the steps. The pavilion with the tiled roof on the south end is later addition of 19th century during the reign of Babi dynasty in Junagadh. There is a circulatory passage around the well shaft. The Rakh Hengar Wow is named after Chudasma ruler of Junagadh. According to historian Jutta Jain Newber, a Chudasma minister called Tejpala had got this wow constructed for the benefit of travellers. Though it was built by the Tejpala, the construction is mistakenly attributed to Chudasma ruler Khengara, who reigned from about 1098 to 1125 CE. Its design is like the structures built in the first half of the 13th century CE, with historians specifying 1230 to 1240 period of its construction. Even today, some travelers take break from the heat of the road in the cool environs of the stepwells and its garden. Tejpala's work continues to benefit people long after his history. Currently, it is the state protected monument and is under management by Agriculture Department of the Government of Gujarat. So friends, this is all for today. If you find this video interesting, then just click on the like button and do subscribe my channel Civil Engineering Forum. Thank you for watching.